Hi guys, welcome to my very first video. And I never thought that I would be creating any YouTube channel or video because I was very busy in my schedule. But recently I met with a group of students who just cleared out their college, their engineering, and they were struggling to get a job, maybe due to the recent market changes or the war which is happening nowadays over the world in certain countries, which might be affecting the economies of several countries, and that may be impact where most of the IT companies are firing. So I thought it would be great, like if I share my knowledge to you guys, how you can get started. So very firstly, let me give me a brief intro. I wouldn't give you a brief intro, but a very short one, I would say. I just passed my engineering from VVCE Meso, and I wasn't a brilliant student there because I never had good skills in learning, but good skills in studies, I would say. But I was a great learner. So when I passed my engineering, it took me 5 years instead of 4. Everybody was like in my family curious to know how I will get success in my life, and then slowly I struggled in certain areas, and slowly I learned several things, and this is where I am at the moment. So this is one of my profile on Upwork, and let me tell you that I am a proud owner of multiple IT companies here in India and Germany. So this is one of my profile, and I want to show you like how much details or achievements it does have. As you can see, it had $8 earning, which means a lot for lots of people here in India or any part of the world, and slowly it will be 1 million soon. Apart from that, if you analyze, if I tell you how much time it took me to do this profile, it took almost 3 years, which is very small time span. And let me tell you this, that I didn't completed my engineering 4 years, so I wasn't a brilliant student, but somehow I managed to achieve this level. And now I have multiple IT companies, and we have hundreds of people working with us. So if you find like how it is possible to get this much of earning in very short time, then definitely you are at the right place. I can tell you how you can achieve success with several freelancing portals, or how you can set up your own business, how you can do your freelancing business. It's not rocket science, it's just small things which you need to capture in your mind and start achieving success day by day. However, to be very frank, I would say I don't want to create such videos if lots of people don't like it. But this is my first video, so I'm not sure if you guys want to see it further and want to know how you can achieve this much success in very short time. 800k or $800k or crores in Indian currency. So if you guys are interested to know more how you can get success on several freelancing platforms, how you can make your own enterprise, and how you can achieve success in your life with such portals or several other portals as well, then please do let me know in the comment section. If I will get 100 plus comments, then I will be creating a second video, because I'm quite busy person and I don't want to spend time where it doesn't make any value or it doesn't bring any value in anybody's life. So if you guys like it and if you want to know more, then please do subscribe to my channel, like, and make comments. If you want to see further videos, then I would be happy to share further knowledge with you. Thank you for watching the video.